So here we are back again with the Element 100S from HooDoo Kayaks. And so this is the paddles that come with it. This one, I have the molten lava, so it's the orange, so it's color coordinating. My other kayak is the purple haze, and those are purple, so they're color coordinating. So when you just slide this end into here. Now if you notice, there's 3 holes here, 1, 2, 3. With these 3 holes, you can adjust where this slides into to adjust the angle of the paddle, and then you can pull it apart, put it back together. Right now, till I figure out exactly what works best for me, I am just going to slide it in to the center one. And to do that, you push this button down to allow it to slide, and then we are going to try to push it in.